Uh-oh. Have you ever suddenly gone hic? What are hiccups?
Hiccups start with a muscle called the diaphragm under your lungs.
When you eat too fast or are excited, this muscle suddenly spasms. The spasm makes you suddenly breathe air, quickly closing your vocal cords. That quick closing is the sound we call a hiccup. Next time, try drinking water to calm your diaphragm down.